Good afternoon. My name is Olabisi Oladimeji. I'm presenting my project on SQL. My database is HMedics. Then under HMedics, I have the customer table, I have the product table, I have the order table. So in my customer table, I have the customer's name, the customer's address, and I have the city. Then in my product table, I have the product name, I have the product price, and I have the product ID. Then in my order table, I have the order status, the order ID, and the date, the order date. Thank you, E86 Limited, for the opportunity given to me to present my project. And thank you to my lecturer, Mr. Dami. God bless you.